So now let's add in a background image for our character to be in. So for that, I'm going to go into File right over here, and then I'm going to click on Place Embedded because I want the background to be embedded to the PSD file. So once I select that out, I'm going to select this picture and click on Place. So you can see right here that there's the picture. So I'm just going to resize this out and then drag this up. So I want this to be the background for the character to be in. So I'm just going to press enter. So now once that is done, I'm going to go to layer and bring the background image behind the character layer right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go to the character because I want to align the ground plane along with the image right here. So to do that, you need to eyeball it out. So I can pan this out, as you can see, just like this, and bring the character onto the scene just like that. So you can go around as well, move around the character. You can orbit the camera as well. So you can see that the light is somewhere around there. So I can orbit the camera and I can manage the ground plane right over here. So I can orbit the camera and manage it out according to the ground plane in the picture. So you can see that this is the horizon line. So I'm just going to align it out right over there, just like that over here. I can also pan the 3D camera, put it up or down according to what I like. So I'm just going to go around and arrange that out just like that. So I'm just going to use this red line as a guide and this bridge, and you can see that it is properly aligned as I drag out now. So you can see that this is aligning onto the character. So I can zoom in and zoom out as well, just like this. So everything works out quite well. So you got the character right here. Another thing you can do is you can select the character and rotate this around. So you can see that there's a rotation handle that appears just like this. So I can just click and drag it and rotate out the character as well, just like that. And that is how it actually works around. And the character seems like as if she is on this background right over here, just like that. I can also move this up, as you can see, but now what happens is that she is kind of like floating on the top. So I don't want her to float. I want her to be sticking onto the ground. So what I can do is I can go over here onto coordinate and click on move to ground. So she sticks on the ground right over here. Then what you can do is you can use these coordinates right here. So you got x-axis, as you can see. So I can click and drag this out or type in the data myself, and you can move the character onto the front or back, as you can see right over here. So I can just move around and I can go and click around as well. So I can go around, click that around and turn her over as well. So I'm just going to leave this onto 0 axis, and I can go over here and move this around as well, just like that. You can move that around as well. You can go and move around onto the Y axis right over here. Just going to reset this out, move to ground and work around with this a bit. So I'm just going to go around into X axis, move that around over here, and then work around with Z axis as well. So let me just rotate her around by using the Z axis. So let me just reset that and change that around. So Y axis and move around right over here. So according to what kind of the data you want, you can just move that around and then place it according to how you want it. You can also optionally make her larger right over here, just like this, because the character seems quite small. So I'm just going to move her to ground right over here. So just resize that out, resize her, move her to ground according to what you want. And you can see that now she fits on right onto the scene, which is being displayed just like that. So that is how you can align the character onto the ground and then align it, add in a background onto your Fuse character. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.